Next, next flip flops are D flip flop and T flip flop. Okay, this D flip flop and T flip flop is obtained from JK flip flop. Okay, it is obtained from JK flip flop. How how we obtain D and T flip flop? So this is JK flip flop. Q bar. Okay, J K and clock. Okay, this is JK flip flop, right? From this JK flip flop, I am using NOT gate and give connection to K. Okay, means here we giving J, here we giving J bar. Okay, J and J bar. This is called D flip flop, data flip flop. Okay, data flip flop. We call it as data flip flop or transparent flip flop. Transparent flip flop. Because observe here J and J bar. Okay, J and J bar. What is JK truth table? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Conditions are what? Previous state, reset state, set state, toggle state. Right? Okay. Here see, when J is 0, automatically K will be 1 because we considering their complement. Right? We considering their complement. So observe only these two conditions are possible in D flip flop. Only these two conditions are possible in D flip flop. Observe here I am giving J as 0. What happened? The complement of 0 is 1. So we get only 0 1 values to JK flip flop. When I given D is equal to 1, okay, this condition becomes D is equal to 0 and this condition become D is equal to 1 because when D is equal to 1, J is equal to 1, K becomes complement of J. It will be 0, right? So we have only these two states, reset and set state in D flip flop. Okay, in D flip flop we have only two states, set and reset. Set and reset. Now how we obtain T flip flop? T flip flop is also obtained by JK flip flop only. Q bar. This is J. This is K. Edge triggered clock. So this is clock input. Simply J is equal to K. Then we called it as T flip flop or toggle flip flop. T means toggle. D means data. Other name is transparent. Toggle flip flop. Okay. This is toggle flip flop. So what is the condition? When T is equal to 0, J is 0, K is 0. Right? So this condition. When T is equal to 1, what happens? J is 1, again K is 1. So this condition. So toggle and previous state condition is referred as T flip flop. Okay. Toggle and previous state is referred as toggle flip flop. Okay. We called it as T flip flop. Okay. Using JK flip flop, we obtain D flip flop and T flip flop. Okay. Using SR flip flop also, you can obtain D flip flop. How? This is SR clock. I am giving complement S. Then also same condition occurs. Set and reset state only we get in D flip flop. Okay. Set and reset state only. Suppose in exam they ask about D latch. What you have to do? If they ask D latch, what you have to do? Simply mention this clock as level triggering. Level triggering. If they ask T latch means simply mention this clock as level triggering instead of edge triggering. Instead of edge triggering. Only difference is clock only. Remaining working is same as flip flop. Okay. So I am saying D flip flop now. So D flip flop means data flip flop. Also refer as transparent flip flop. So by giving J bar, okay, by giving J bar to K in JK flip flop, we get D flip flop. Okay. Or else using SR flip flop also you can implement D flip flop by giving S bar to R. By giving S bar to R. Okay. It has two outputs. So D flip flop has only one input, that is D. Okay. Outputs are two, mostly used in registers. So this is the symbol of D flip flop. Symbol of D flip flop. One input, two outputs, and one clock signal. Okay. How we obtain D flip flop? By using complement. J complement is given to K. So, or using SR. So we have only two conditions here. When D is equal to 0, it is reset state. D is 0 means reset state. D is 1 means set state. D is 1 means set state. We have only two conditions. So D is minimized version of JK flip flop. Okay. Next, circuit. So the circuit, see, observe. This is JK flip flop, right? This part is JK flip flop. For this JK flip flop, this is J, this is K. I am giving NOT gate. I am giving NOT gate. Okay. So this is D flip flop. So see, whenever 0, Q of T is 0. Okay. Whenever 1, Q of T is 1. Okay. Whenever clock is 0, it is previous state. It is D flip flop. Now I am drawing the characteristic table. This is the characteristic table. See, whenever D is 0, whenever D is 0, it is reset state. Reset state means what? Q will be always 0. So Q will be always 0. Okay. Next, whenever D is equal to 1, it is in set state. What is set state? Q is equal to 1. So Q is equal to 1. So what you observed? Q of T plus 1. Q of T plus 1. Characteristic equation. Q of T plus 1 is same as D. Same as D. See, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So Q of T plus 1 is simply D. Whatever value giving, you getting that one only next state. So characteristic equation of D flip flop is Q of T plus 1. Simply Q of T plus 1. Okay. Next, timing diagram. So whenever clock pulse is activated, Here D flip-flop is independent of previous state because characteristic equation is Q of t is Q of t plus 1. Sorry, Q of t plus 1 is D. Okay, so it is independent of this one. So don't consider this. Just mention in waveform, but we don't use this one. Okay, whenever is clock is activated, here the clock is activated. What is input? 0. So input is 0, right? We have only single input. Input is 0. So until next clock pulse appeared, out, output will be 0. Output will be 0. Next 1, D is 1 here. So output will be 1. Sorry, here this is 1. This is 0. Modify this one. This is 1. This is 0. So this is the D flip-flop timing diagram. So whenever clock pulse is activated, we get output as D only. Whenever clock pulse are activated, then only we get output as D. Okay. That is the timing diagram of D flip-flop. Next, T flip-flop. So before entering into D flip-flop, I am writing excitation table. So excitation table. Q of t plus 1, 0, 0. 0, 0 means D is 0. Right? So write D as 0. Next 0, 1. 0, 1 appears at where? This is 0, 1. So D will be 1. Next 1, 0. 1, 0 is found at this one. So what is D value? 0. Next 1, 1. D value is 1. This is the excitation table of D flip-flop. Okay. Next, calculate yourself excitation table of T flip-flop. Excitation of T flip-flop. Because it is a shortcut of JK flip-flop, right? Shortcut of JK flip-flop. How we get? By shorting J and K. So we have only two conditions. Previous state and toggle state. Previous state and toggle state. When T is 0, previous state. T is 1, toggle state. So T flip-flop we have. So when T is 0, toggle state. Sorry, previous state. When T is 1, toggle state means complement. I am giving complement. Next, characteristic table. So see, whenever 0, 0 occurs, it is previous state. So this one. Whenever T is 1, 1, we required complement. Complement of Q of T. So 0 complement is 1. 1 complement is 0. Okay. So characteristic equation. Observe this one. It looks like XOR gate, right? The characteristic table looks like SOR gate. Characteristic table looks like XOR gate. Here inputs are T and Q of T. So T XOR Q of T. T XOR Q of T. Next, timing diagram. Next, excitation table. So excitation table, observe 0, 0. Where 0, 0 occurs here. So output is 0. So T will be 0. Next 0, 1. Next 0, 1. Where 0, 1 appears, here 0, 1 appears. So output is 1. Next 1, 0. 1 0 appears here. So output will be 1. Next 1 1, 1 1 occurs here. So output comes to here. That is 0. Okay. This is the excitation table. So this is the excitation table. Okay. So anyone have doubts?